Hey everyone, if your HTML looks like a sea of div and span tags, you're not alone. But today, let's clean things up by learning about semantic HTML tags, what they are, why they matter, and how to use them in your projects, all under 5 minutes. Alright, so what exactly are semantic tags? In simple terms, semantic HTML tags are elements that tell you and the browser what their actual content means. Unlike generic tags like div and span, which don't say anything about the type of content they hold, semantic tags describe the role or purpose of that content. For example, instead of using div to wrap the top section, for example, instead of using div to wrap the top section of your website, you can use header tag, which clearly says, "Hey there, this is the header of the page." If you have a bunch of navigation links, don't throw them into a random div. Use a nav tag. Your main content, wrap it under main tag. A blog post or a news article, that's what article is for. Sections of related content, use section. Even your footer has its own tag. So why does this actually matter? Well, using semantic tags isn't about just writing cleaner code, though it's a big plus. It's really about communication, not just with other developers, but with browsers, search engines, and even assistive technologies. Let me break that down. First, search engines like Google use the structure of HTML to understand what your page is about. When you use tags like article, section, or nav, you are giving search engines more context, which can help them to help your content rank better in search results. Second, screen readers, which are used by people who are blind or visually impaired, rely heavily on semantic tags to help users navigate a page. Tags like nav and min allow them to skip directly to the parts they need without having to go through every line. And third, from the developer's perspective, it just makes your code so much easier to read and maintain. When someone else or your future you look at your code, instantly clear what each part is doing. No more digging through layers of div class just to figure out what's going on. So, semantic tags make your site more accessible, better for SEO, and easier to work with. And those are the wins across the board. Let's go through some commonly used semantic tags. Header for the top part of a page or section. Nav for your navigation links. Main perhaps the main content of document. Article perfect for blogs or news items. Section groups related content. A site for sidebars, ads, or extra notes. Footer goes at the bottom of a page or section. Figure and caption used for images with captions. To quickly recap, semantic tags add meaning to your HTML, they improve SEO and accessibility, and they make your code easier to read and maintain. Seriously, once you start using them, you won't want to go back to plain divs. Alright, that's a wrap on semantic HTML tags. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it the video a like. Hit subscribe and let me know in the comments what topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.